Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 16. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to add ones and ones or tens and tens. Now, this lesson could be a little tricky because you have to be able to know if you're going to be adding tens or you're going to be adding ones. Just looking at this, 19 plus 10. I know that I am going to be adding tens because in both of these numbers, they have tens. 19 has one 10 and 10 has one 10. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it with decomposing strategy and by doing the picture. So 19 plus 10. I'm going to break apart 19 because 19 has tens and 1. So I know that 19, the 10 way is 10, 9. Now I'm going to add my tens together. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. And now I'm going to add my 9 and my 20 together. So my leftovers, I know that 20 plus 9 is 29. Now I could have also done this a picture. So I'm going to do a picture to check. So 19, I'm going to draw 19. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then I'm going to draw 10. So now I'm going to count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Check, I got the same thing, 29. Alright guys, that's it for this video.